Logo, Varsity Ann Arbor. The Varsity building from street level. Sign, 425 East Washington Street, Varsity. A lobby has seating areas with couches, chairs and tables. Rows of mailboxes. Patterned rolling chairs sit around rectangular tables. Benches and chairs in a common area. Study rooms feature whiteboards and long tables. A row of computers sits on a table. Treadmills, ellipticals, bikes, and other workout equipment sit in a window-lined gym. Free weights sit in a mirrored room. Exercise balls and mats sit in the corner of a yoga room. The Sky Lounge features a ping-pong table, pool table, TVs, and tables with couches and chairs in a window-lined room. Rocking chairs and padded lounge chairs sit on a rooftop terrace. The front entrance. Rows of bikes sit in a storage rack. A kitchen across from a living room. Sign, Michigan Wolverines. A TV and bookshelf sit across from a couch and chair in a living room. Place settings on a bar top counter. A kitchen with stone countertops, a flat top range, microwave and refrigerator. A desk and chair sit next to a bed. A dresser sits in the center of a closet. A bathroom. A bed sits between a window and a desk. A curtain hangs in front of a closet. A shower occupies the back wall of a bathroom. A stacked washer and dryer in a closet. The entrance to the Varsity building. Logo, Varsity Ann Arbor.